The clatter of keys echoed through the empty office long after midnight. Anna paused outside the door, her skin prickling. She was certain she'd been alone when she'd locked up for the night. Yet, the old typewriter on her desk hammered out words, its dusty ribbon flickering in the lamplight. Anna stepped closer, heart thundering. The machine typed, its keys moving with frantic purpose. She squinted at the page. Each line spelled her name over and over until the letters blurred. Then a new sentence appeared. "Look behind you." Anna froze. The air turned icy, her breath visible. She forced herself to turn, but nothing waited in the darkness. When she looked back, the typewriter was still. Relief flooded her, until she noticed her name typed again. But this time, the letters bled. Red ink pooled and dripped from the page, staining her hands as she touched it. A shadow stretched from beneath the desk, impossibly long. Anna tried to scream, but the typewriter's keys rattled louder, drowning her voice. The final words etched themselves onto the paper. "You are the story now." The next morning, the office was silent, save for the soft ticking of the typewriter, waiting for its next author.